What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. So if you're new, make sure to subscribe for more tech and money related videos. So in this video, I'll be showing you on how you can send and receive money using your PayPal mobile application. So if that sounds interesting, without wasting much of your time, let's hop straight into the video. So I'm going to log into my PayPal account. Okay, so from here, where I want to go is you click on the three striped lines that are on your top left. So you're going to have this display. So first things first, our interest is sending money. Then later I'm going to show you how you can receive money. So I'll click on send. Okay, so you're going to be brought to this dashboard. So before I show you how exactly you can send money, I would love to mention that first of all, you need to ensure that you've got money in your PayPal wallet. So you can transfer money from your linked bank account into your PayPal wallet. So once you've ensure that you've got money in your PayPal wallet, that's when you can now send money to a PayPal recipient. So if that's all good, then we can go straight into how you can send money. So in order for you to send money to someone using PayPal, you need to have their email address, which is considered as a PayPal wallet. So that's what's going to be used to send them money to their PayPal wallet. So you need to make sure that the email address that the recipient has sent you is the one that's linked to their PayPal address. So let's say, for instance, the recipient's email address is abc@gmail.com. So of course, there are many domains. It can be Yahoo, it can be Hotmail. I'm just using Gmail for an example. So if that's the recipient's email address and you are sure that it's correct, so what you do now is click on where it's saying next. So you're going to be brought to this dashboard, of which you're going to do two main things. So firstly, you're going to enter the amount that you want to send the recipient. So let's say, for instance, I want to send them $200. And then I can specify what the payment is for by clicking the plus sign where it's saying, what's the payment for? So I can specify to say, buy yourself AirPods. Okay, so if I'm okay with everything, the amount is correct, and I've got a description of what I want the recipient to use the money for. Once I'm done, I'll click on where it's saying continue. So you'll be brought to this final dashboard where it's showing you a breakdown of the transaction you're about to initiate. So if I scroll down a little, it's showing me the card where the money is going to be deducted from and how much $200 is worth in Zambia money kwacha. So if I'm okay with all that, all I do is click on send now, and I'd have sent this recipient the $200. And then the second and last thing is, how do you receive money using your PayPal account? So this is quite simple and straightforward. All you're supposed to do is send the sender your email address that's linked to your PayPal account. So that's what's going to be used for them to send you money into your PayPal account. But I'll have to caution you. So just make sure that the email address you've sent to the person who's supposed to send you money using your PayPal account is correct. So if that's all good, then within a few minutes, you'll be able to receive your money after they've confirmed that they've sent the money to your account. It will reflect in your balance. So thank you so much for sticking out this far. If you've learned one or two things on how you can send and receive money using your PayPal account, I'll be really glad if you gave this video a thumbs up. Stay safe, and I'll check you out in the next video. Peace.